Bantu bami baseKZN, let's gather here. I want to ask you something very quickly. Okay, uyabulisa umakoti wenu, the one and only. Let's gather here. So Flody Shivambu was in KZN, as you all know. So at KZN, he met the kings. I think in Gabantoni Lava, King Gumisizulu, and then the others. Abanyan Baz, please, you will educate me in the comment section. But I have a question for you guys. You guys said ukuthi you will never get KZN until you go to Amakosi, Wara and Ukota Makubo, which is what Floyd's doing. So, since Floyd is following your formula, as you guys always say, well, what is your take on this? What is your take on his stance? Do you think he's going to capture KZN, especially if he partners with Amakosi, with the kings? What's your take? What do you read from here? And other than the king, is there anyone else you see there? People that are relevant and important? Like, just educate me. What do you see here? What do you read? Because Galoko Floyd really said he learned a lot in the MK in 6 months, more than he learned in the EFF all those years. So these are part of the things that I assume he learned when he was in KZN. So what are we reading here? Please educate me. Educate Makoti.